In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in Canva. Canva, known for its user-friendly design tools, makes this task straightforward yet incredibly effective for enhancing your video content. Whether you're looking to build anticipation for an event or simply add a touch of excitement to your projects, a countdown timer is a perfect way to do it. And the best part? You can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to Canva by opening up your web browser and typing in canva.com. If you haven't already, you can sign into your account or create a new one. It's free and just takes a moment. Once you're in, it's time to create a new design. Look for the Create a Design button on the homepage and give it a click. Here, you'll see a variety of format options, but we want to focus on video content, so choose the video format. This will ensure that our countdown timer is optimized for animated use, perfect for presentations or online content. With your video canvas ready, let's add some text. Locate the text button on the left side menu and click it. This is where our countdown really begins to take shape. Next, type in the first number of your countdown sequence. This could be any length you desire, but for simplicity, let's use 10 for our example. Just click on the canvas and start typing the number 10. Now that you have your text, it's time to bring it to life. Select the text by clicking on it and then look for the Animate option in the top menu. This feature is where Canva allows you to add dynamic movement to your text, making the countdown more engaging. Once you click on Animate, you'll see a variety of effects. For a clean and energetic look, the pop effect is a great choice, creating a lively, bouncing motion as each number appears. After setting up the first number with animation, it's time to move on to the next numbers in your countdown. Instead of creating each number from scratch, simply duplicate the page. You'll find this option easy to access, usually located near the top of your current canvas. With the new page duplicated, decrease the number by 1. So, change 10 to 9, then duplicate again and change it to 8, and so on. Repeat this process until you've finished your countdown. Once your series is complete and you're happy with how it looks, the final step is to download your creation. Click on the Share button, and you'll see options for exporting the video. Choose to download it as an MP4 file. This format is perfect for seamless playback on a variety of platforms. And there you have it. A simple yet effective countdown timer crafted entirely in Canva, ready to enhance your video content. Thanks for watching and happy designing.